So today I'm going to be showcasing the Samsung HotBlast oven. We've got an amazing chicken here, which I'm going to tie, and then we're going to roast it off. It's important to tie it so it keeps the shape during the cooking process. It's quite a simple process. Just fold that over. And you see that plumps the breasts up there as well. And turn the actual bird over. And you're looking for this bone here. You're going to add a small amount of olive oil, which really helps with the coloration. And then salt. And then some pepper as well, which I really love. So now it's ready to go into the oven.